In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to light a fire pit with charcoal. So stay tuned and watch the whole video through. So before we can light our fire pit with charcoal, there are a few things that you're going to need. First thing you're going to need a fire starter. Now if you don't have a fire starter, I'm going to exactly show you how to make a homemade fire starter. In order to do that, you need vegetable oil. You need 3 paper towels so you can wrap them up. You're also going to need a box of charcoal. They can be the ones that flame up easy or the normal charcoal. You can see that I have some charcoal here. You can add a little bit more if you want to, but this is the only bit that I have left. So you want to build it up like in a triangle formation. As you can see, it's a little bit, but you can add more here. You want to go ahead and pick the fire starter bottom part down first. You want to use a charcoal to keep it in place. Like I said, you can also use a fire starter, but we're going to go ahead and light it. Now, you can use this to cook, and in my next video I'm going to show you guys how to cook on a fire pit. So in this video, you learned how to start a fire pit with charcoal. But I also want to mention that when you put the fire starter inside, make sure you put the wet side down first and light the dry side. So can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You'll be notified on every video I make. Have a great day.